You've heard it before, never dip a metal spoon in honey, you'll ruin its purity. This warning has been passed down through generations, often without question. But what's the real story behind this cautionary tale? But is there any truth to this? Or are we just following a myth? Could it be that this is just another old wives' tale? Or is there some scientific basis to this claim? It seems like a harmless act, scooping that golden nectar from the jar. After all, honey has been enjoyed for thousands of years, and metal spoons have been around for quite some time too. But for some, a shiver of fear runs down their spine at the thought of metal touching honey. This hesitation is rooted in the belief that metal can somehow spoil or contaminate the honey. Today, we dive into the sticky world of honey to uncover the truth about this age-old adage. We'll explore the chemistry of honey and how it interacts with different materials. Buckle up, food explorers, as we separate fact from fiction and explore the fascinating science behind honey and its interaction with metals. We'll look at the properties of honey, its natural acidity, and how it reacts with various metals. Get ready to see your honey jar in a whole new light. By the end of this journey, you'll have a deeper understanding of whether metal spoons are truly a foe to your honey, or if they can coexist peacefully in your kitchen. We'll also take a look back in history to see how our ancestors handled honey and what tools they used. Did they have the same concerns about metal spoons, or is this a more modern worry? And finally, we'll provide some practical tips on the best ways to handle and store your honey to keep it as fresh and pure as possible. Whether you prefer wooden, plastic, or metal spoons, we've got you covered. So grab your favorite spoon and join us as we unravel the mystery of metal spoons and honey. It's time to put this debate to rest once and for all. Let's get started. For millennia, honey has been more than just a sweetener. It's a symbol of nourishment, healing, and even divinity across cultures. Ancient Egyptians used it in embalming, while Greeks believed it to be the food of the gods. Honey's allure stems not just from its taste, but also from its incredible durability. Unlike other natural sweeteners, honey can last for centuries without spoiling. Archaeologists have unearthed perfectly edible honey from ancient Egyptian tombs, a testament to its enduring nature. Honey's longevity is no accident. It's a product of nature's ingenious design. Honey's low water content, acidic pH, and natural presence of hydrogen peroxide create an inhospitable environment for bacteria and microorganisms, preventing spoilage. Think of it as a fortress. The high sugar concentration draws water out of any invading microbes, effectively dehydrating and killing them. This natural preservation process has allowed civilizations throughout history to enjoy honey's goodness for generations. So where did this fear of metal spoons and honey originate? The answer, like honey itself, is complex and shrouded in layers. One theory points to a time when honey was stored in less than pristine containers. Imagine porous clay pots, reactive metals, and a general lack of understanding about food safety. It's plausible that using certain metals with honey in those times could have imparted an undesirable taste or even leached harmful substances. This experience might have cemented the idea of metal as a honey spoiler. Honey and metal, a scientific perspective. In this section, we delve into the intricate relationship between honey and the utensils we use to handle it. Specifically, we focus on the interaction between honey and metal, a topic that has sparked curiosity and debate among enthusiasts and scientists alike. Fast forward to the present day, armed with scientific understanding and rigorous testing, we can now explore this relationship with a level of precision and clarity that was previously unattainable. Modern laboratories equipped with advanced technology allow scientists to scrutinize the properties of honey and its interaction with various materials. The truth is, using a regular stainless steel spoon will not ruin your honey. This common kitchen tool is designed to be durable and resistant to many substances, including honey. The smooth surface of stainless steel ensures that it does not react with the honey, preserving its natural taste and quality. Most metals used in everyday cutlery are non-reactive or minimally reactive with honey. This means that when you use these utensils, there is little to no chemical interaction that could alter the composition of the honey. Metals like stainless steel, silver, and even gold are commonly used in cutlery for this very reason. Stainless steel in particular is designed for its resistance to corrosion and oxidation. This makes it an ideal material for kitchen utensils that come into contact with various foods and liquids. Its non-reactive nature ensures that it does not impart any unwanted flavors or substances into the honey. This means that it's highly unlikely to leach anything harmful into your honey or alter its flavor. The integrity of the honey remains intact, allowing you to enjoy its natural sweetness and health benefits without any concerns. Scientists have conducted numerous tests to confirm this, ensuring that stainless steel is safe for use with honey. Even if minute traces of metal were to transfer, they would be insignificant and pose no health risks. The levels of metal that might be detected are so low that they do not affect the safety or quality of the honey. This reassures consumers that using stainless steel utensils is both practical and safe for handling honey. Food-safe metals, ensuring purity in every bite. This brings us to the concept of food-safe metals. Certain metals are specifically chosen for food contact because of their inert nature. They are designed to withstand exposure to acidic foods, heat, and repeated washing without leaching harmful chemicals. Stainless steel, along with aluminum, copper in some applications, and even cast iron, when properly seasoned, fall into this category. So rest assured, your trusted metal utensils are not out to sabotage your honey enjoyment. Beyond metal, exploring utensil alternatives. Of course, metal isn't the only option for enjoying honey. While metal spoons are commonly used and are quite effective, there are many other materials that can be just as useful, if not more so, depending on your needs and preferences. Non-metal utensils, such as those made from wood, silicone, or plastic, offer a variety of benefits. Each material has its own unique properties that can enhance your honey tasting experience. Wooden utensils, for instance, are not only aesthetically pleasing but also environmentally friendly. Silicone utensils are flexible and easy to clean, making them a practical choice for everyday use. Plastic utensils, while not as eco-friendly, are lightweight and often more affordable. Wooden honey dippers with their characteristic grooves are a popular choice for their aesthetic appeal and functionality. The grooves help to hold the honey, allowing for a more controlled drizzle. These dippers are not only beautiful to look at, but also practical, as they help to prevent drips and messes. Their rustic charm adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen setting. The ability to prevent drips is particularly useful when serving honey at the table, ensuring that your honey stays where it belongs on your food, not your tablecloth. Ultimately, the choice of utensil comes down to personal preference. Some people may prefer the sleek efficiency of metal utensils, while others might be drawn to the natural beauty of wooden ones. Whether you prefer the sleek efficiency of metal, which is durable and easy to clean, or the rustic charm of wood, which adds a natural touch to your kitchen, there is an option for everyone. The rustic charm of wood can bring a sense of warmth and tradition to your kitchen, making the simple act of drizzling honey feel like a special occasion. Rest assured that your honey is safe in their embrace. No matter which utensil you choose, you can enjoy your honey knowing that it will be served with care and style. Preserving the golden elixir honey storage tips. While the type of spoon you use won't harm your honey, improper storage can. To maintain its quality and flavor, store honey in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. Exposure to heat, light, and air can accelerate the crystallization process and degrade the delicate flavors of honey. Remember, honey is a natural product, and taking care in its storage ensures that you enjoy its unique qualities for as long as possible. The verdict: dispelling the myth of metal and honey. So there you have it, folks. The verdict is in: using a metal spoon will not ruin your honey. This long-held belief is more a product of historical circumstance and misunderstanding than scientific evidence. Food-safe metals like stainless steel are designed for safe interaction with food. They won't leach harmful substances or alter the taste of your honey. So go ahead, dip that metal spoon in with confidence. Sweet relief. Enjoy honey without hesitation. The next time you reach for a spoonful of honey, remember this delightful exploration. Don't let outdated myths spoil your enjoyment of this natural wonder. Savor the complex sweetness, appreciate its rich historical significance, and most importantly, eat with knowledge, joy, and a dash of scientific curiosity. Join the conversation. Share your honey experiences. Now it's your turn. Have you ever heard of this metal spoon myth? What are your favorite ways to enjoy honey? Share your thoughts, experiences, and honey-related wisdom in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation buzzing.